Hi guys, in this first ever HTML tutorial I will tell you what is HTML. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page. It consists of a series of elements. These elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, etc. The doc type HTML declaration defines that this is document in HTML5 document because there are other types of documents online. The HTML element is the root element of the HTML page, the beginning. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page. The title element specifies a title for the HTML page that is shown in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. The body element defines the document's body and is a container for all the visible contents such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, etc. The H1 element defines a large heading. There are different sizes of heading. H1 is the biggest one, H6 is the smallest one. And the P element defines a paragraph.